Have you ever wondered if someone in your life might be more than just self-centered, possibly even narcissistic? What if there were more than one type of narcissism, and you've encountered different kinds without even realizing it? In this video, we're diving into the 4 distinct types of narcissists and how each can uniquely impact your relationships. You'll learn how to identify these narcissists and the surprising traits that could be lurking beneath the surface. Missing this video could leave you vulnerable to manipulation and heartache, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe for more insights that could transform how you navigate life's toughest challenges. 1. The classic grandiose narcissist. This is the narcissist most people recognize: egotistical, arrogant, and always seeking validation. They're the look-at-me types who love showing off their possessions and achievements, constantly needing to be the center of attention. Think of celebrities who are all about appearances, or the person at the office who can't stop bragging about their latest success. They rarely listen to others because they're too busy basking in their own greatness. These individuals thrive on praise and admiration, but offer very little in return when it comes to understanding others' needs. 2. The malignant narcissist. Far more dangerous than the grandiose type, the malignant narcissist is manipulative and cruel, often engaging in unethical or even illegal behavior. These are the Bernie Madoffs of the world, people who not only seek admiration but also actively harm others to get what they want. While they may show some remorse for hurting those close to them, they often have little empathy for strangers or victims outside their circle. Their actions can devastate businesses, families, and communities. Their need for dominance and control can result in deeply destructive patterns in both personal and professional environments. 3. The covert narcissist. The covert narcissist is much harder to spot, as they often appear introverted, sensitive, and even depressed. They feel the world has never recognized their greatness, making them prone to passive-aggressive behavior and self-pity. This type of narcissist often plays the victim, constantly seeking sympathy while secretly believing they deserve much more recognition than they've received. They might remind you of the artist who believes their work was too good to be appreciated, or the co-worker who thinks they're misunderstood by everyone. Their subtle manipulation can leave you feeling confused and drained, as they disguise their need for attention as humility or modesty. 4. The communal narcissist. Unlike other types, communal narcissists appear to be altruistic on the surface, constantly engaging in charitable acts and social causes. However, their real motivation is personal recognition. These are the people who post selfies while volunteering, attend high-profile charity events, and want everyone to know how much good they're doing. Despite their outward generosity, they often lack genuine empathy and care more about the validation they receive than the actual cause they're supporting. Their self-worth is often built on how much admiration they receive from others for their supposed selflessness, rather than the actual impact of their actions. If you're intrigued by the idea of understanding narcissism better and want to unlock the secrets of navigating a life filled with financial freedom and healthier relationships, continue watching our previous videos. We explore even more strategies for recognizing toxic behaviors and achieving personal success, with some surprising revelations along the way. Don't forget to click the link in the description for exclusive content that could change your life. Make sure to subscribe for more insights and let us know in the comments which type of narcissist you've encountered.